think this one's actually gonna break the internet, guys. Believe it or not, I got this car for 500 bucks, guys. Yes, 5 $100 bills. And with all the fees and stuff, this car came up to 680 bucks. No BS, guys. So I got this car under $1,000, and I'm just amazed. You know, I bought it sight unseen. I thought it was an amazing deal. You know, who wouldn't pay 500 bucks for this? You know, like, even if this car doesn't run, guys, the transmission alone's $1,000. I mean, you know why? Because it's a CD009, guys. It's a CD009, and it has a rev-up engine. It's a 06 Infiniti G35 Coupe, guys. Check it out. You really can't complain, guys. Like, look, it's a 6-speed. Look, the clutch is right there. It looks like it might need a slave cylinder, either that or a clutch. But who cares? For 500 bucks, you really can't complain. And what's amazing about this car, it has the orange stitching though. So this is basically the top of the line. This is the S model of it. So yeah, like, look at the interior, guys. I mean, it's not that bad. You know, I could get my uncle to redo them for me. But yeah, I got this car for 500 bucks. The wheels are 500 bucks, bro. The tires are like 400 bucks. Like, this is ridiculous. The headlights, like 100 bucks each. Even if this car doesn't start, guys, I'm still winning, dude. As you can see right here, the rev-up, guys, look at that. It's a rev-up engine. So we're about to see if it starts in a bit, but I'm gonna. My friends are actually here at the car lot, so I'm gonna introduce you guys. This is my buddy right here. And he actually has a YouTube channel. I'm gonna link him down below. He helped me move all the furniture and all that. He helped me move some cars as well. This is my other friend right here, Jordi. He's the one that did most of the remodeling. He did the support, and Angel did the texture and the painting. So this is my squad right here, guys. All right, well, let's put the jumper cables and let's see if it starts. See if this bad boy starts. Who cares? Boom. Alright, let's see if it starts. Let's see this bad boy start. Bro, let's pray. We gotta pray. Please let this start, man. Please let it start, bro. $500 bucks! Yo, this thing runs, bro! Yo, I got the best deal of the century, bro! 500 bucks for this thing. Oh my god! I think I'm gonna have to get a new slave cylinder. I'm forcing the gear in to see if it moves. Oh my god, it's moving, bro! No, that's reverse. Y'all see how it's moving? Bro! Yo, this thing's straight pipe, bro. Is this straight pipe, bro? Yeah, straight pipe. God damn, bro. The sound is... Alright, guys, well, I'm gonna fix the clutch first because the clutch is not engaging, but we'll see if it works. I'm gonna have to fix the slave cylinder because the pedal goes all the way down. Y'all see how it goes all the way down? I'm gonna have to get that fixed, but I think let's hope the clutch is good, guys. But yeah, we're gonna do a lot of stuff to this car, man. We're gonna drop it, put a turbo. I don't know, man, but this car's gonna be great. Got this car for 500 bucks.
Wow.
All right, guys, catch you on another video.